or bad cholesterol as well as high blood pressure with this particular cocktail. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, heart disease is #1 cause of death among both women and men. Only in the US, on every 43 seconds, some person dies as a result of this disease. High blood pressure and high cholesterol are the most common causes of heart disease. To reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and heart attack, it is very important to lower your cholesterol and maintain your blood pressure normal. You should follow a healthy diet, exercise every day, and keep a healthy lifestyle. If you want to accomplish this, you will have to give 100% of yourself. We also have a healthy beverage that will effectively keep your blood pressure and bad cholesterol at the normal numbers. It contains ingredients that have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. You should consume a half teaspoon before your meals for a few times a day. So, let's find out more how to prepare this incredible remedy that will improve your cholesterol and blood pressure. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of roughly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon fresh apple cider white vinegar, 1/2 lime juice, 1 tablespoon from raw as well as organic darling, 1 garlic herb clove, minced. Directions: add all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you get a smooth texture. Put the mixture in a jar and place it in the fridge. This remedy is very effective for reducing bad cholesterol and high blood pressure. You should consume 1 teaspoon before you eat. You should do this procedure until you get the desired results. Garlic is included in the combination because it can lower the cholesterol and make the blood thinner. In this way, you will prevent a heart attack, a stroke, or blood clots. Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It has the ability to prevent the accumulation of plaque and cholesterol into the arterial walls. Due to its powerful antioxidant properties, honey can reduce the cholesterol and blood sugar levels, while apple cider vinegar reduces blood sugar levels and bad cholesterol. Keep in mind this. If you do not want the flavor of the mixture, do not worry. Just add a little water to dilute it. You can also put the mixture into your smoothie. The following things are also very important when it comes to reducing the blood pressure and cholesterol. Use them in a combination with the mixture and you will get the best results. Make aerobic exercises every day for 30 minutes, 5 times a day. Include vegetables and fruits in your diet. Occasionally, you can consume a little dark chocolate. Women should drink 1 glass of red wine every day, while men should drink 2 glasses of red wine every day. Reduce stress and take time to relax. Avoid food with sugar, sodium, and saturated fats. Don't even think about cigarettes.
Yeah.